can answer that? Can I please answer it? Because physiologically, men and women are different, sir. And there is no debate about it. Equality is not about physics. Oh my god, this is so basic, we have to get into it. Okay, when we talk about equality and opportunity, we talk about cerebral opportunity. We're not saying I want to be able to be 200 pounds like a man and beat the shit out of somebody else. We aren't saying that. We are saying you get the ability to get the job, to be the CEO, and nobody questions when you are driven and stay and having 3 children how you are managing it all. Don't question me. That's what I'm saying. I can be a CEO and a mother. So this is called shadowing practice. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will tell you what exactly shadowing practice. Second, I will tell you how you can do shadowing step by step even if you are a beginner. And I will also show you live demo how actually I do shadowing practice, right? And third, I will give you 3 best YouTube channels which you can select and you can do shadowing practice. And the last, I will tell you the benefits of shadowing practice. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's start. So what is shadowing? So shadowing simply means listening to a native speaker and repeating the sentence immediately at the same time. And we try to copy their pronunciation, tone, rhythm, and expressions. Just like a shadow follow a person, we try to follow speaker's voice. That's why this is called shadowing. So now you understood what shadowing practice, right? But now the question is, how can you actually practice it? So first, if you are a beginner, I will suggest you don't go for someone who speaks super fast. Okay? Just try to find your interest. Which video you like to watch. For example, if you like to watch cricket commentary or comedy movies, Hollywood movies, anything, try to find your interest. Otherwise, you will lose your interest with shadowing practice and you will find it boring technique, right? So first, if you want to start, so try to find your interest. Okay? And I will also suggest you, if you want to start and if you are a beginner, so don't go for long videos. Just try to go with short videos. It should be like 30 seconds to 1 minute, because I usually do that. I don't go for long videos. I just select one short video and I try to uh, copy. I try to do shadowing practice. So you should also start with this technique. Okay, this method it is best for you. And I will suggest and I will show you live demo how I do shadowing practice. So second, if you are at a intermediate level, so you can go with interviews, podcast, and TED talks. Okay, because you feel more confident, so you can go with interviews. So I personally like Priyanka Chopra and I shadow her. I really like her way of speaking, her confidence, her clarity. So I do shadowing with her. So now I will show you how I do shadowing. So let me show you, okay? So I am going to select one video of Priyanka Chopra's, one random video which I haven't gone through yet. Okay, let me search Priyanka Chopra. Okay, this short video. So try to be a leader in your field. So how we do shadowing practice? First try to listen, then repeat and slowly try to match their tone. Okay, so first I will listen one sentence, then I will repeat, and then I will see how she's speaking, her tone, her expression, which word she's emphasizing. We have to copy all things. So let's start. And you don't have to be the top of your game to be a leader. You have to be an everyday leader. The world needs. Okay, again I will start. So try to be a leader in your field. And you don't have to be the top of your game to be a leader. You have to be an everyday leader. The world needs everyday leaders. Yeah. Again, I will start. First, try to mug up that sentence which she is trying to say. You try to be a leader. Okay. You try to be a leader in your field. You try to be a leader in your field. Be a leader in your field. And you have to be the top of your game. See, she's emphasizing on game. So I will also emphasizing. You don't try to be the top of your game to be a leader. You have to be everyday leader. Leader in your field. And you don't have to be the top of your game to be a leader. Everyday leader. You have to be everyday leader. Leader in your field. And you have to be top of your game to be a leader. Be everyday leader. World needs everyday leader. You don't have to be a, let me see. Try to be a leader in your field. Try to be a leader. First, we have to mug that sentence. Okay, I'm trying to mugging up. You have to you have to be a leader in your field. You have to be a leader in your field. You have to be a leader in your field. You don't have. So try to be a leader in your field. So try to be a leader in your field. Try to be a leader in your field. You don't have to be the top of your game. Need to be a leader. You have to be an everyday leader. You have to be everyday. You don't have to be a top of your game. You have to be a leader. Leader in your field. And you don't have to be the top of your game. Leader. You have to be an everyday leader. The world. So try to be a leader in your field. You don't have to be top of your game leader. You have to be an everyday leader. The world needs everyday leaders. Then you have to go again until you are not exactly shadowing the way she speaks. You have to repeat that sentence again and again. I know initially it will look boring and monotonous, but if you want to improve your pronunciation, confidence, and speaking, this video will definitely work, and this technique will definitely work because I have seen a lot of improvements in myself after doing shadowing. So try to repeat that sentence again and again. So try to be a leader in your field. You don't have to be the top of your game to be a leader. You have to be everyday leader. The world needs everyday leaders. See how I'm repeating exactly the way she is speaking. One more time I will try. So try to be a leader in your field, and you have to be top of your game to be a leader. You have to be everyday leader. The world needs everyday leaders. See, I have copy her expressions, tone, everything. So you also have to do the same, okay? And I will suggest you again, don't go for long videos. Try to select 30 second to 1 minute video. It will really improve your pronunciation, everything if you have that MTI issue. So shadowing practice is the best method to improve your MTI issue. Okay. So now I'm going to suggest you three best YouTube channels. You can select any video of them and you can do shadowing practice. So here are three best YouTube channels. You can select any YouTube channel which you are find interesting, and you can find your interest as well. I'm not saying you have to select these videos only. You can find your interest as well and you can do shadowing practice. Okay. So now I will tell you what are the benefits of shadowing practice. So first, shadowing practice improves your pronunciation. Second, it helps you to think in English faster. Third, it increases your speaking confidence because your tongue is becoming familiar with English sound, right? And the best part is you don't need any partner. You can practice anytime at your home. This is the best thing I love about this technique. we can do anytime, anywhere, right? So these are the benefits with shadowing practice. So if you are finding you want to improve your speaking, pronunciation, MTI issue, confidence, everything, so start shadowing today. Because fluency doesn't come only from watching videos, it comes from active practice. So start shadowing today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.